Hope everyone's having a great day. Just walking around in the woods this morning. Came across this cool puddingstone on the path. Looks like there's quite a few things going on in there. Nice. Let's see if we can't wash this off. Find a spot. Clean it up a little. Got this cleaned off the best we could here. In this little pond. That's a really nice puddingstone. Lots going on in there. Might be a good one to cut open. See what's going on inside. Clean it up a little more too. It's still really dirty. But nice. Thanks everyone.